Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add a membership area in Wix Studio so you can create a space for your users to sign up, log in, and access exclusive content. Let's get started. First, open Wix Studio and log into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, this is where you'll manage everything for your website. On the left side of the screen, click the plus icon, which opens the list of elements you can add to your site. Scroll down and look for the Community section. Inside this section, select Members List. This feature is essential as it allows you to manage your site's users and provides them with a dedicated space to sign in. Next, click Add to Site. Wix Studio will begin setting up the membership area, and this may take a moment. Once it's complete, your site will have a built-in members area where visitors can sign up, log in, and access content exclusively available to them. Now that the membership area is set up, you can easily customize it to suit your needs. Add private pages, share exclusive updates, or offer special content to keep your members engaged. While the setup is quick and straightforward, the real value lies in how you use this space to create a strong connection with your audience. And that's it! Your Wix Studio website now has a fully functional membership area. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on building and customizing your Wix site.